Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. This is a day in the life of a young millionaire here in Dubai. Today I'm gonna show you guys the raw back stages of everything that I do, completely from my meetings to my work to shopping to everything that happens throughout the day. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video, and the first thing that we're gonna get started with is gym.
No one checked on me when I needed, so I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. Me, I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. On the block ain't nothing but youths trying to be bad and hoes that act up. I've been obsessed with money, I knew would get my stack up. I ain't lacking on my own, I got me.
The time passes by whether you work hard or not. Whether I was sleeping right now or I'm here at the gym, the time would have passed out. So you have to understand, whether you work hard or not, it's gonna go, it's gonna move on, you know? It's not gonna stay for you. And I'm gonna dedicate everything right now for the life that I want in the future, inshallah. So time passes by anyway, whether you work hard or not, so you might as well just smash it. Alright my people, just got done with the gym. Alhamdulillah, it was an amazing session, truly enjoyed it. Right now, we're gonna be going to Mado, which is an amazing place for breakfast, inshallah. I'm gonna have some good breakfast. After breakfast, we're invited to Arts Club Dubai. Now, the Arts Club Dubai is a big deal, guys. The members in the Arts Club is actually royal families, Imam Gaji himself, and other big entrepreneurs. There is a lot of members that they have, and there's over 30,000 member waiting list, I think. That's what I heard. So yeah, the waiting list is insane, but I've got, you know, connection, alhamdulillah, through my friend Robin, and his dad is an entrepreneur, so he gave me the invitation as well, which is gonna be sick. I'm gonna be going through, showing you guys how it's gonna be. Although I am not allowed to record, boys, I'm just gonna show you guys sneak peeks and everything that I can, inshallah, just to tell you guys how the experience is. And after Mado and after Arts Club, we're gonna be doing the investment and we're gonna be buying my dream, inshallah. So it's gonna be super exciting, and I'm already very excited, and hopefully everything goes well and onto the plan. And yeah, we're gonna be doing it today, inshallah, so let's do it. This is Mado right over here, boys, and we're gonna be going inside, inshallah. It's an amazing, amazing place. Alright boys, we just came here to Mado, get some breakfast in, inshallah, before the Arts Club. Very important thing to announce, guys, I am not selling anything anymore. I'm not selling a course, not a mentorship, none of that stuff. The only thing that you guys can access to or get access to is my Discord, which is completely for free, and as well as my email newsletter. In my email newsletter, I give away one winning product completely for free on the daily basis. You guys do not want to miss out. This is an amazing opportunity. If you're thinking about getting started with dropshipping, and if you need winning products, bro, it's completely for free. So if you're interested, make sure you sign up in the email newsletter down below. And yeah, we're just getting started with the day. It's gonna be an amazing day, inshallah. And I want you guys to remember that what I'm currently doing or what I'm currently living is not a one-day work or a one-year work. It's the past 4 years that I've been putting for the life that I currently live. The fact that I don't get a call from my boss, the fact that I don't even have a boss, is the fact that I've worked from the early stages of my life, and I've put in the work for this, and I've achieved what I've achieved today. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, it's always amazing to be in these kind of opportunities. And of course, the Arts Club, very private event. A lot of stuff that I learned today. Definitely something that I wouldn't be taking pictures in, of course, due to the fact that they're very strict. You pull out your phone, they question you if you have taken a picture. Of course, if you take a picture, of course, I don't mean it like you pull out your phone and they question you. But when you take a picture, they don't really let you, because the individuals there is really high profile. You cannot just get inside by being normal. You have to be someone really, really, you know, in depth, or have connection inside. Again, it was a crazy experience, but alhamdulillah, we are all built for experiences. These are the things that truly build us and truly gives us the dopamine that we need. And I think in a few hours, you guys will get the dopamine hit after I get my dream Inshallah, you guys will truly love it because, bro, this piece, I've been waiting for it for the longest time, and for me to get it at this age, at 21-year-old, it's a dream come true. And especially in the city like Dubai, where dreams come true, bro, this is all that you will ever want.
But yeah, boys, this is a dream come true, and alhamdulillah, I'm very proud of it, because as I said, nobody cares about number 2. Everyone cares about number 1. And if you're not number 1, my friend, you're losing. So that's exactly why I did it. 21-year-old with a Patek Philippe.